Hi friends, how are you all doing? Today I am going to show you how you can change the notification sound on your Android phone. If you are an Android user, this video is for you. But before we start, I have a small request. Please subscribe to my channel Zonic Tag for more helpful videos. Now let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Sound and Notification. Sometimes it may just be called sounds. Next, tap on Notification Sound. Here you will see a list of different sounds available. Tap on any sound to preview it and choose the one you like. Once selected, that sound will be set as your new notification tone. At the top, you can also adjust the notification volume to your preference. And that's it. Your notification sound has been changed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and stay connected with Zonic Tech for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching.